Hi, I'm Roosevelt, and thank you for joining me and taking a detailed walk around and POV test drive of the all-new 2023 Kia EV6 GT all-wheel drive, the electric crossover that's set to shake up the automotive industry. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, the EV6 GT is a game changer in the world of electric cars. From the moment you lay your eyes on the EV6 GT, you will be struck by its futuristic design. The sharply sculptured lines and bold front grille give it a sporty, aggressive look that's sure to turn heads. The car's cabin is a masterpiece of design and technology. The seats are made of high-quality materials and are incredibly supportive, making it easy to stay comfortable on long drives. The car also comes with a sunroof that gives the cabin a bright and airy feel. The EV6 GT also boasts an impressive electric range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, thanks to its large 83 kilowatt-hour battery. Charging times are also impressively short, with an 80% charge taking just 18 minutes when using a DC fast charger. The EV6 GT is also packed with advanced technology. The car is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display that provides easy access to all of the car's features and controls. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, and it's compatible with both Apple Play and Android Auto. The EV6 GT also offers an impressive level of safety with features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. This makes it a great choice for families or anyone who values peace of mind while traveling. Overall, the 2023 Kia EV6 GT all-wheel drive is an electric crossover that's sure to impress you. Its powerful performance, advanced technology, and sleek design make it one of the most exciting electric cars on the market today. With a range of up to 300 miles, it's perfect for long trips, and its advanced safety features and comfortable interior make it a great choice for families. Enjoy the rest of the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Under the hood, the EV6 GT is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers a whopping 576 horsepower and an impressive 546 pound-feet of torque. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest crossovers on the market.